Hello, my name is Sam. I'm here to get your vitals today. Can you tell me your last name and birthday?
My last name is Musa. My birthday is June 8, 1989.
Yeah. Do you have any allergies?
Yes.
Okay. So I'm just gonna expose your arm here and cross your legs. Do you have a arm you prefer, or this one is fine?
So it's
Okay. Well, line up. Okay, so I'm just gonna trace this one out. You can press your palm up like this. Open it up. Put this one here. So this will feel a little bit tight, so okay, that's good. Your blood pressure is 116/70. Just gonna take this one out. Alright, so one more thing I'm going to do is I'm going to get your oxygen level, and this thing is called oximeter. So I'm just gonna put this on here. Yeah. Perfect. So your oxygen is good, 100. Your pulse is good too. Okay. So the other thing that I need to take is your oxygen. Just want to just listen to your pulse here. Okay, perfect. So the other thing I'm going to get your temperature. So I'm just gonna go go okay, good. Your temperature is good. So I will let the doctor come and see you now. Okay.
okay.
Thank you. Yeah.